We cannot even imagine our lives without cars, or rather, I should say, without engines. In this video, we will try to learn how car engine works in a simple manner. First, have a look at modern cars' internal arrangement. Basically, all cars have an engine which is like heart. It converts chemical energy of fuel into the mechanical motion. In most of the modern cars, engines are placed in front of the vehicle. Most cars uses 4-stroke engine. Now, have a deeper look at engines and see how it works. As you can see, engines are made up of different parts of metals, or rather I should say strong metals having high melting point. In nutshell, this is how an engine works, as you can see here. This converts the chemical energy of fuel by combustion into the vertical motion of piston, which is then converted into the rotational motion, and which is then again converted to the rotational motion of wheels. Now we will try to learn the operation of engines in somewhat detail. First, have a look at its internal components. The half dumbbell shaped structure shown here is called as piston. Basically, a combustion reaction occurs which pushes the piston downwards, as you can see here in this animation. Now have a deeper look at how it works. We will try to understand using 4 steps. During the first step, the piston moves downwards, creating low pressure. Due to the pressure difference, the intake valves opens and a mixture of fuel and air flows into the cylinder, as you can see here in this animation. Now have a look at second step. During second step, compression occurs and both the intake and exhaust valves are closed. The inertia of the flywheel causes the piston to push and compress the gas, and hence increasing its temperature, as you can see in this animation. Now let us discuss third step. In this step, the spark plug, which is like lighter which we uses in our gas stoves, this ignites the compressed fuel and air mixture. This causes sudden explosion. The force created because of this sudden explosion pushes the piston downwards, and hence the flywheel rotates, as you can see here in this animation. Now let us see the fourth and the last step, which is exhaust step. In this step, the exhaust gases are expelled, as you can see here in this animation. During this step, the exhaust valves open and all the combusted gas is exhausted, as you can see here in this animation. The all 4 steps together runs the engine. They rotate again and again to rotate the flywheel. You can see all the steps occurring together here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.